future in our hands. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us again. Today we're diving into a topic that's shaping our generation: artificial intelligence.
That's right. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's changing how we work, create, and even how we think.
Exactly. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. But not everyone understands what it really is.
So today, we're taking you on a journey. We'll explore what AI actually means, how it started, where it's heading, and most importantly, how it's changing us. So Jack, let's start from the basics. When people say AI, they often imagine robots taking over the world. But that's not quite accurate, is it?
Not really. AI, at its core, is about creating systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions like humans. Or at least try to.
So it's not about building a mind, but teaching a machine how to think in patterns.
Exactly. Think of AI as a student that learns from experience. Except instead of textbooks, it learns from data.
That explains why AI has suddenly become so powerful. We're generating huge amounts of data every day.
Yes, and modern computing gives AI the speed and storage it needs to process it all. That's why it feels like AI went from science fiction to reality overnight.
Let's go back in time a bit. Where did it all begin?
Well, the concept of artificial intelligence goes back to the 1950s. Alan Turing, one of the pioneers of computer science, asked a simple question: can machines think?
Yes, the famous Turing test, where if a machine can hold a conversation indistinguishable from a human, it's considered intelligent.
Exactly. Back then, computers were massive, slow, and limited. But even then, scientists dreamed of building machines that could reason and learn.
And now, almost 70 years later, we're closer than ever.
Right. AI went through what people call AI winters. Periods when funding and enthusiasm dropped. But in the last decade, deep learning changed everything.
That's the technology behind tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and even voice models like 11 Labs, right?
Exactly. Neural networks now allow machines to understand patterns in language, sound, and vision, just like our brains.
Now, this is my favorite part: creativity. I still find it wild that AI can write scripts, paint portraits, or compose music.
It is fascinating. But remember, AI doesn't create in the human sense. It analyzes existing works and generates new combinations based on pattern.
So when an AI writes a poem, it's remixing everything it has learned about poetry, rhythm, tone, imagery, but without emotion.
Exactly, it's like a mirror reflecting human creativity back to us in new forms.
That's beautiful, actually. It means AI is like a creative partner, giving us new perspectives.
Yes, the best results come when humans and AI collaborate. Humans provide emotion and purpose. AI provides speed and possibility.
AI is already part of our daily lives, even if people don't realize it.
AI is already part of our daily lives, even if people don't realize it.
It's funny. People say they don't trust AI, but they use it every single day.
Exactly. The key is understanding where it helps and where we need caution.
Speaking of caution, what about jobs? Some people are afraid AI will take theirs.
That's a real concern, and it's partly true. Automation will replace tasks, but not necessarily people.
So jobs will evolve instead of disappearing?
Precisely. Think about it. 20 years ago, no one had the job title AI ethicist or prompt engineer. Now those roles exist because of AI.
That's a hopeful way to see it. But let us be honest, AI also has a dark side. Deep fakes, misinformation, bias. It can get dangerous.
Absolutely. AI learns from human data, and humans aren't perfect, so it can reflect our biases or even amplify them.
That's scary, especially when AI starts influencing elections or spreading false news.
That's why regulation is crucial. We need transparency in how AI systems are trained and used.
So, responsibility lies with the developers and governments, but also with users.
Yes. Just like we learn to use the internet wisely, we'll need to learn AI literacy, understanding what's real and what's generated.
Let's dream a little. Where do you see AI in, say, 20 years?
I think AI will be deeply integrated into our lives. Personalized tutors, healthcare assistants, maybe even emotional companions.
Do you think AI could ever develop consciousness?
That's the ultimate question. Personally, I think AI might simulate consciousness, but real awareness is uniquely human.
So, no robot best friends with feelings just yet?
Not yet, but they'll definitely be able to understand and respond to our emotions better than ever before.
I guess the goal isn't to make AI human. It's to make humans more human through AI.
Exactly. If we use it wisely, AI could free us from repetitive tasks and give us time for creativity, empathy, and connection.
Jack, what's one thing about AI that inspires you the most?
That it can amplify human potential. Imagine every child having a personal AI tutor, every artist a creative assistant, every scientist a powerful research partner.
That's a beautiful vision. For me, it's how AI makes us reflect on what it means to be human, our emotions, values, and imagination.
Exactly. AI isn't replacing humanity, it's holding up a mirror. What we see in that reflection, that's up to us.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of The Future in Our Hands.
We hope this conversation helped you see AI not as a threat, but as a tool. One that's as powerful as the people behind it.
If you enjoyed this episode, follow us on your favorite platform and share your thoughts. How do you imagine the future with AI?
Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and remember, the future isn't waiting. It's already here.